सो वेलकम बैक फूडीज। आज मैं हूँ करवे नगर में एंड वी आर एट सोलंकीज आइसक्रीम्स चेक क्रीम। सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट सम फ्रेश मेड आइसक्रीम। यस, सो लेट्स ईट। सो आई एम एट सोलंकीज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, दैट इज़ देयर फैक्ट्री, एंड मेरे साथ है सोलंकीज आइसक्रीम के ओनर मिस्टर नरेंद्र सोलंकी। सो सर, क्या बताएंगे सोलंकी आइसक्रीम्स के बारे में?
Basically, this is a family-owned business. We are into this business since around 70 years. My grandfather has started this business. And in Pune, we had started our manufacturing unit in 2017. From Pune unit, हम normally hotels, restaurants, cafes, catering houses, ये bulk business में हम supply करते हैं. And in retail segment, we are catering to all the खवय्ये म्हणतो आपण त्यांना. सगळ्यांना जे फूड लवर्स आहेत त्यांना सगळ्यांना आपण केटर करू शकतो थ्रू आवर ऑनलाईन पोर्टल्स लाईक solankiicecreams.com. वी हॅव आवर ओन वेबसाईट वेर इन यू कॅन शॉप इन देअर अँड आवर प्रेझन्स इज ऑल्सो ऑन झोमॅटो अँड स्विगी.
ओके, सो सोळंकीज आईस्क्रीममध्ये असं काय तुम्ही डिफरंट व्हेरियंट आहे की जे तुम्ही मला सांगू शकाल?
बेसिकली आईस्क्रीम्स तर आपली USP आहेतच. अलॉंग विथ दॅट आपली स्पेशलिटी इज दूध कोल्ड ड्रिंक. बेसिकली दूध कोल्ड ड्रिंक असं एक मिल्कशेक्स आहेत, पण दॅट इज बिन ट्रेडिशनली नेम्ड बाय अस. सो दॅट इज वन ऑफ द व्हॅनिला दूध कोल्ड ड्रिंक इज very much special, and very much special is like milk cocktails that are not being served anywhere in Pune. That is a USP of Solanki ice creams.
ओके, सो गाईज सोळंकीज जे कोल्हापूरमध्ये आहे इथे हे खूप जास्त पॉप्युलर आहे, एम आय राईट?
येस मेन जे कोण सोळंकी कोल्हापूरला जे कोणी गेलेले आहेत महालक्ष्मीच्या मंदिराला म्हणा किंवा वाया गोव्याला जायचं असेल, कोल्हापूरला हॉल्ट करून सोळंकी आईस्क्रीम्स मात्र नक्की खातात.
येस,
कोल्हापुरात.
सो आज आम्हाला काय टेस्ट करायला मिळणार आहे? व्हॉट वी आर गेटिंग टू टेस्ट?
तुम्हाला व्हरायटी आईस्क्रीम्समध्ये मिळतील, दूध कोल्ड्रिंकमध्ये मिळेल आणि मिल्क कॉकटेल्समध्ये मिळतील.
सो साऊंड्स व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Yes,
येस,
you will love it.
सो गाईज लेट्स ईट. So guys, Mr. Naren is giving us a factory tour. So let's see how the ice cream is manufactured and created.
So we are into the production unit here. Here the milk has been processed. Fresh milk has been procured, and all the ingredients are been inserted in this. Okay. After the desired temperature has been attained, milk has been strained through a mash. Here the homogenizing process has been done, and post that a cooling process is done, and then it has been stored in the tanks.
Okay.
And the milk is aged for a particular period of time. Based on that, further process of ice cream making is been done on the milk, processed milk.
So basically the milk is aged.
Yes, it has to be aged to get desired flavor to the ice cream.
Right.
And the creaminess enhances after the milk is been aged.
Great. So this is the storage section.
Yeah, some of the storage.
So guys, this is how ice cream is stored. इतना सारा storage रहता है to provide ice cream to various cities. आप cities को भी provide करते होंगे.
बिल्कुल.
So guys, this is it. Factory tour. So what is this? This is looking really delicious.
Yeah, as you have seen, it was manufactured in our unit. This is a freshly prepared mango ice cream, especially for you, and it contains fresh pulp, mango pulp made out of it. Please have a taste of it and do tell us your reviews.
So guys, this is fresh mango ice cream. इसका डेंसिटी देखो, it looks like श्रीखंड, आम्रखंड, So it is looking very delicious. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट टेक्सचर है नो. मैं आपके आइसक्रीम्स खाता हूँ बट इसका लेवल कुछ अलग ही है. मतलब इसका टेक्सचर, इसका जो फ्रेशनेस का टेस्ट है, इट टेस्ट अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. सो यस, आई वुड प्रिफर कि मैं फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर्ड आइसक्रीम ही यहाँ आकर खाऊँ.
डेफिनेटली यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम एनी टाईम.
दिस इज अमेझिंग.
सो आपण जसं मँगो आईस्क्रीम नॅचरल पल्प घालून बनवलं आहे ते बघितलं, तसंच आपण आता मिक्स बेरीज आईस्क्रीम बघणार आहोत. ते कसं बनवतात. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचे इन्ग्रेडियंट्स म्हणजे त्याच्यातले बेरीज, मिक्स बेरीज. ते आपण एकदम प्रिसिजनली मेजर करतो. ते आपण इथे ह्याच्यात आता जेवढं क्वांटिटी मेजरली लागते तेवढं आपण मेजरमेंट करतो. आणि हे बेरीज आपण नंतरनं मिल्कमध्ये ब्लेंड करून आपल्या मशीनमध्ये त्याचं मिक्सिंग होतं आणि नंतर ॲट दी एंड आईस्क्रीम्स आर रेडी.
So we get the original flavors of the berries.
येस नॅचरली जो त्याचा फ्लेवर असतो बेरीजचा तोच तुम्हाला यू विल हॅव ड्युरिंग हॅव्हिंग द मिक्स बेरी आईस्क्रीम.
सो हमने अभी मैंगो तो खा लिया है, इट वॉज ऑसम. तो अभी नेक्स्ट फ्लेवर क्या है?
मिक्स बेरीज.
मिक्स बेरीज दैट वी सॉ.
Yes, we saw in the production area.
Okay, so I have with me mixed berries ice cream that is freshly prepared.
Yes. And
Soft, smooth.
to tell one thing, this will add color when it gets frozen. जब गाढ़ा होगा तब वो और कलर उसमें एनहांसमेंट होगा फॉर श्योर.
Forget the color. I just love the taste.
वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट.
So yes, it's smooth, it's tasty. और basically इसमें natural berries का जो taste आया है, perfectly blended with the milk, perfect taste, perfect sweetness. You'll fall in love with it. Cheers. So अब mixed berries तो हो गया है. What's next on the list?
It's Jamaican rum. It is non-alcoholic ice cream. You can surely taste. This is coming in on your way. Okay.
This rum color looks beautiful. It surely tastes like rum. But I love this more. Mixed berries. Because it gives a natural flavor, no? And one thing I observed in this ice creams is कि ये जो milk based है ना, so it's like having a real ice cream. Cause हम लोग आज जो आइसक्रीम खाते हैं वो these are actually frozen desserts, right? So these are the real ice creams and you have to taste these. Yes, am I right?
Yes, definitely. In the market, major of them are made out of vegetable oil or palm oil. Those are the frozen desserts basically. Ours, जैसे सुमित ने कहा, it is all milk based.
So guys, definitely taste these real ice creams. So guys, we are done with the ice creams which were fabulous. So आगे देखते क्या आता है. I'm really excited about it. Yes, this is looking awesome. So yes, what is it?
दिस इज दूध कोल्ड ड्रिंक. आमच्या कोल्हापुरात दूध कोल्ड ड्रिंक म्हणून फेमस आहे ते. तुमच्या राईट साईडला जे आहे ते मिंट दूध कोल्ड ड्रिंक आहे आणि लेफ्ट साईडला जे पिंक कलर आहे त्यात तो बेसिकली रोज पेटल दूध कोल्ड ड्रिंक आहे. इट इज मेड आउट ऑफ गुलकंद.
Okay, so mint is new for me. Gulkan I have had kai places were, but mint is really new for me. So I'll try mint first, and then we'll try Gulkan. So guys, cheers. This is awesome. So it tastes like पोलो का जो गोली आता था. So it gives that feeling. और ये बहुत जब आपके थ्रोट के अंदर जाता है तो बहुत ठंडा फील होता है. So I love it. I love it.
It's a basically refreshing drink basically.
Yes, yes. It's really refreshing drink. So अगर गर्मी हो तो this is the drink.
Yes, one should go for it.
Yes. So अब हम जाएंगे गुलकन की ओर. रोज पेटल, right?
Rose petal, right.
So cheers again. It's pure Gulkan.
Yes.
And I can feel the petals inside my mouth, so revolving around. So बहुत अच्छा feeling आता है. And अगर गर्मी में अगर कुछ drinks पीना है तो ये दो drinks perfect. Great, great, great. Yes, this looks really, really, really amazing, and it's beautifully garnished with tutti frutti, choco sprinkles. It's garnished with chocolate brownie. I can see that,
Yes.
and it contains two flavors actually, with syrups.
Three flavors basically of ice creams, and a flavored milk on top of it. Three flavors of ice creams.
It also contains nuts and syrups.
Yes, fruits is the base of the milk cocktail, and on top of that, syrup is there. On top of that, milk, brownie, three flavors of ice creams, and the garnishing one.
So it contains all the things basically you need to have for dessert, right?
Absolutely right, and it will surely fill your tummy. For sure.
So let's have a taste. Okay. So by the way, we are having cake on the occasion of Christmas. So yes, let's wish our viewers Merry Christmas. So guys, wish you a very, very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yes, so let's do it for a taste. It's like feeling all the good feelings together. Like happiness, surprise, it's like wow. So yes, loaded with full of sweetness. Wow, this is awesome. I'm speechless. So guys, if you like the video, like it, hit the like button, share the video as much as you can, comment, and do visit Solanki's Jack Cream. So what invitation would you give to our viewers?
Basically, you can enjoy all the varieties what you have seen in this video through our professionally built website solankiicecreams.com, and it can be home delivered to you within Pune anywhere. And one more thing, if you would like to have it through Swiggy, Zomato, we have a presence there as well.
And guys, one more thing, they are starting a food truck which will be arriving very soon. They are launching a food truck. So yes, all the very best for your ice cream trucks. And yes guys, like karo, share karo, subscribe karo, or bell icon hit karo so that you get notified of my every video. And yes, follow us on Instagram. So guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, adios.